For decades, astronomers have been searching the farthest corners of our solar system, looking for signs of a mysterious hidden planet, often called Planet 9 or Planet X. But now, a new theory is shaking things up, and it suggests that we might be looking in the wrong place entirely. Introducing Planet Y, a possible Earth-sized world that could be much closer to us than anyone expected. A recent study has proposed the existence of this new world, Planet Y, an alternative to the long-hypothesized Planet 9. Unlike the massive gas giant astronomers have been searching for since 2016, Planet Y is thought to be smaller, denser, and far closer to home. Some even believe it could be discovered within just a few years. However, as exciting as it sounds, the evidence so far isn't definitive. Let's back up a little. The hunt for a ninth planet actually began more than a century ago, after Neptune's discovery in 1846. When Pluto was found in 1930, it was thought to be the missing world. But that changed in 2006, when Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, leaving us with just 8 official planets once again. Then, in 2016, Caltech astronomers Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin reignited the search with their Planet 9 hypothesis. They noticed that several large icy objects beyond Neptune, known as Kuiper Belt objects, or KBOS, were moving in strange, clustered orbits. The only explanation, they argued, was that a massive, unseen planet, perhaps 10 times the mass of Earth, was pulling on them gravitationally from the darkness. That mysterious world became known as Planet 9, or sometimes Planet X. But so far, Planet X has refused to show itself. Despite years of searching, astronomers haven't spotted a trace of it, and that's where Planet Y comes in. In a new study published in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, a team of researchers led by astrophysicist Amir Siraj from Princeton University has proposed an intriguing new idea. By analyzing the orbits of 50 Kuiper Belt objects, they found that many of them are tilted by around 15 degrees compared with the rest of the solar system. Siraj and his colleagues say the simplest explanation for this tilt is a hidden planet. "We started trying to come up with explanations other than a planet," Siraj told CNN, "but what we found is that you actually need a planet there." He was careful to add, though, this isn't a discovery of a planet, but rather the discovery of a puzzle that could be solved by one. According to their calculations, Planet Y would likely be a rocky world, somewhere between the mass of Mercury and Earth, and orbiting the Sun at a distance between 100 and 200 times farther than we are. For comparison, Neptune orbits at about 30 times the Earth-Sun distance. That means Planet Y could be up to twice as close to us as the hypothesized Planet X, and much smaller too. Its orbit might also be tilted by around 10 degrees, making it harder to spot with current telescopes. Astronomer Samantha Lawler from the University of Virginia described the findings as not definitive, mainly because of the small sample size, only 50 Kuiper Belt objects. And Patrick Sofia Likauka, an expert on distant solar system bodies, called Planet Y plausible, but said more evidence is needed before anyone can call it likely. In short, the idea is intriguing, but far from confirmed. The newly built Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, home to the world's largest digital camera, has just begun scanning the skies. It's expected to discover thousands of new Kuiper Belt objects in the coming years. And with all that new data, astronomers might finally be able to test both the Planet X and Planet Y theories once and for all. Siraj says that within 2 or 3 years, we'll likely know for sure. If Planet Y is out there, and within the observatory's field of view, it will be found. But if it isn't, both theories could be ruled out completely. It's worth noting that Planet Y isn't the only recent new planet idea. In recent years, astronomers have proposed multiple Planet 9 candidates, and most have turned out to be false alarms. One team even spotted a faint infrared dot that seemed promising, until calculations showed it would have to orbit in a plane perpendicular to all the other planets, something that's extremely unlikely. Others have suggested that the strange movements of outer solar system objects could be caused by something even stranger, like a tiny black hole or a new, unknown form of gravity. Still others believe that instead of one large planet, there could be several smaller Earth-like worlds hiding far beyond Neptune, maybe even rogue planets captured by the Sun's gravity long ago. Whatever the case, one thing is clear: we're still far from fully understanding our own cosmic backyard. Every time scientists look deeper into the Kuiper Belt, they find more surprises, from new dwarf planets to mysterious objects that don't behave the way we expect. Whether it's Planet X, Planet Y, or something else entirely, the outer solar system is still full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. So, is there a hidden Earth-sized planet lurking just beyond Neptune? For now, it's only a theory. But as telescopes grow more powerful and our understanding of the solar system deepens, we might not have to wait long to find out.